Trash. Can you say applesauce? Applesauce. Good girl. Can you say water? No, say water. You leave that alone. Can you say trash? Be careful. What are you doing? Are you all done with that? Can you put that in the trash? Don't you do it. That. Hey. What did you do, Charlotte? Applesauce. Good girl. What's that?
Water.
Where's your water? Where's Daddy? Did Daddy go to work? Can you sit? Good girl. Thank you. Can you wave? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. No.